Find out in this video how am I going to service my own vehicle as a technician will do. First thing I need to go is to get all my parts. So I have a Toyota Aqua. I need the oil, the filters.
You have the arms oil. You have genuine oil filter.
Yeah.
Genuine air filter. Genuine AC filter.
Yes. There you go. This is exactly what I need. Go. There you go. So these are all the parts that I might be needing to service your vehicle as a technician will do. That's it. Here we go. Here we are. So Benjamin, I want to service my vehicle. What are we going to do?
We're going to inspect the brakes, rotate the tires, change the oil and filter, the air filter, as inspect the AC filter and change if necessary.
What about the engine oil? What do you think am I going to use for my car?
Arms oil, one of the best signature series.
Yes! So we will continue. Let's see inside the engine. Yeah, there's my point. There you go. Bye.
Right, so we're looking at the suspension here, checking the axle boot rubbers. They all seem fine, no leakage. The straps are secure.
Basically what I did is I found a suspension, the spring coils, the very same size, just a little heavy duty. That's the secret. The point is, if you use the rubber separators will just keep a space, but won't solve the problem of reaching the suspension's limit. How the shocks looking?
They look good, they're dry, no leakage and stuff.
That's exactly what I want.
Taking a look at the radiator to make sure we see no cracks and stuff on the side tanks. Both are fine.
12,000 kilometers and look, still have some color. AMSOIL signature series is that you're changing a good oil for a good oil. That is the big secret to keep your engine oil forever. Beshma, what are you doing?
We're filling the oil filter here so that when we do throw in the oil into the engine, the oil pump will not have the stress of filling the oil filter and making the timing chain go dry in the vehicle for a couple of seconds.
Indeed.
Taking off the engine. Jose, I mean, you're running the oil 12,000 Ks. Don't you think it's better to change it? I would say about 7,000 to 9,000 average.
That is a very nice question. The thing is that a hybrid vehicle works probably 25 to 30% in EV mode. For example, when you stop in the light, you're not using the internal combustion engine, but start-stop system. So this is caused that when you're using a hybrid electric vehicle, you're not really using 12,000 kilometers ever your engine oil. That's why the lifespan of the hybrid electric vehicle engine, not only because they're also Atkins, also thermal efficient, but you also have start-stop system.
We're taking out the tires to rotate them from front to back and back to front. Right.
I see the brakes a little high, so how come this vehicle is over 100,000 kilometers?
Because it's a hybrid, so once it's a hybrid, it works with regen brakes, so the brakes last really long. It can last, I would say, approximately 200,000 Ks without any aggressive driving.
Beshma is quite right. The thing is, instead of using friction or lose the energy in heat friction, you use the motor as a generator to create electricity by using the vehicle's kinetic energy. That's the very best feature you could find in the market. That's why literally brakes are forever in the hybrid and electric vehicle. So is it really necessary every time you service in the vehicle to adjust the handbrake? Let's open it up and we will see. Over 100,000 kilometers. How are these brakes looking at?
This is brakes and parts cleaner. It's a bit dusty, so we're giving it a nice clean out.
Where there are mechanical moving parts, there always should be lubrication. So we left the oil draining for a little while. Beshma is tidying up. How are we looking, Beshma?
Good.
All right. So now everything replaced from below, tires, rotator, everything, this vehicle is going down. So adjusting the tire pressure. Beshma, what are we going to use to these tires?
Right, let's see how much you got here, Mr. Jose. 28 PSI, 29 PSI, so we're going to put 34. Let's get it up to 34.
That kind of happens always. It's completely normal. So it's time for AMSOIL Signature Series. Jose, why are you so stubborn using the AMSOIL Signature Series when there are many other brands? Well, yeah, you got Mobil One, you got Motools. All of those things are the king of the kings. But my personal experience with AMSOIL Signature Series is that I was using Mobil One, which is no doubt one of the best. But when I switched to AMSOIL, as I said, for testing purposes, the level of smooth that I felt my engine, that really shocked me. So after that, AMSOIL is always my best brand for me and also my customers. The very same. Signature series, although this is designed for 25,000 miles, that's marketing. You're not gonna use 25,000 miles the very same oil or it will burn for sure. But I would say 10 to 12,000 kilometers, more than enough. You will be changing a good oil for a good oil. So let's continue. There it is. Did you know the hybrid vehicles uses a different coolant system from the internal combustion engine? We have over here the engine coolant system, and this is the hybrid system coolant. Let me show you. Now we're not gonna replace this time because I actually have a YouTube video showing in depth how this is done. But this is brand new. So this coolant cools down the inverter. This is the motor controller. So because it controls a group of IGBTs or big transistors that creates a lot of power to turn the DC into AC and drive the electric motor, that produces a lot of heat. So this plastic water pump has a small radiator on the bottom and then cools down the system. So separated cooling system and the normal radiator cooling system, which I already checked. Beshman, what do we have here?
Right, so this is the old air filter. As you can see, it has served its time. This is a new, genuine.
This, what you're doing, it's a key.
Yeah,
because the thing is,
that
is a reservoir. It's an air reservoir, so accumulate dust and debris and piece of crap that over time will make your air filter go bad faster than what it should. So usually before changing your air filter, you gotta clean the air filter compartment. It's a must do.
So we're adding backwash to the wiper reservoir.
Once again, you could use water if you want, but you have a little electric motor pump, water oxidized. These buck washer, there's some very nice additives in the market. Some of them are more expensive than another, but they do the job to keep it clean inside, but also do the wiper blade. It's time to one of the best products that I love, the Lucas upper cylinder lubricant. This not only cleans the injectors better than any other product, but also lubricates. So the purpose of lubricating and improving your fuel is that because you have an electric pump inside your fuel tank. So this one not only cleans, but lubricates as well. Also super amazing and friendly for GDI vehicles. Gasoline direct injection that use mechanical fuel pump. Oh yeah, you definitely want the best product to lubricate. So here we go. There you go. So Jose, when servicing a hybrid vehicle, the first thing you gotta do, of course, if you gotta service the high voltage system cooling, in this case, the high voltage battery cooling fan. So Beshman, what are we gonna do?
Right, Jose, are you kidding me, man? This is clean. Remember, you recently installed a new battery, so it must be clean. The intake is clean.
That was like 3 days ago. I have a brand new Toyota battery that's being tested in my car right now, so you know. This is the other reason why the AC cabin filter needs to be replaced, because this is the air that you breathe inside the vehicle. So what do we do with this? Usually, and ready. I'm a little curious about the handbrake. Let me see. Holy moly! This is a race car now. Woo! All right, I have Fast and the Furious in my Toyota Aqua. There you go. So this is servicing a hybrid vehicle to the technician level. Once again, servicing a hybrid electric vehicle at a technician level, you have to change your internal combustion engine oil, cabin filter, air filter, change your buck washer, clean your braking system. That is something that I must do, that we do it here at Hybrid Solution Diagnostics. I have lots of friends. I love to go to other facilities, but basically it's exactly what we do to all our customers, all our friends that uses hybrid and electric vehicle or not. So if you want to know more about servicing a hybrid electric vehicle, stick around for more tips. I'll see you then. Bye-bye.